Hi, Sally Hancock here, and I am going to be making my paperclip for the Facebook group Paperclip Art. The monthly theme is how would improved health look? So I created this cute paperclip on my Cricut and have glued it to just a wooden disc that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I will stick that to my paperclip. So let me zoom in a little bit here so you can see what I'm doing, because of course it's so tiny. Okay, so I just downloaded this image of a person hiking or climbing a mountain, because I thought if I had improved health I could do all kinds of stuff. And so I sliced it so it would curve around with the circle. And I think I need to realign because it didn't cut it quite right. I cut this one good, but this one it cut kind of off. Okay, and then I made this cute little sunshine. And that is gonna go right above her head. And I sliced out this little frame. I don't know how well this glue is gonna stick to wood, but I guess we'll see. So that's just gonna go over like this. Sure that's centered. Okay, and then there we go. And then this, I cut the word unstoppable out of this arrow, and I'm just gonna glue it on the back of this other one here. Here's my tiny glue. Sure that's more than I really need. Okay, and I'll glue this on top. I have it kind of hang off, so I'm not sure where it will be sticking. So we'll just put some glue right there. There we go. Okay, so now I have to decide which paper clip to use. Okay, so I have these jumbo paper clips here. Yellow, or I could use green. I like yellow. Or I have these cute, kind of chubby paper clips. Let's see which one I like better. I like the yellow, but then I like the chubbiness. I think I'll go with the chubby ones. Oh, if I can get them off the package, there we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna glue them on and then use this felt. I didn't have yellow or green felt, but hopefully that will be okay. Okay, so I want to make sure that I got it where I want it. Use my Crafters Loctite glue. Maybe I could just flip it like that. And it will be where I want it. Kind of spread that around a little bit, maybe. Sure that looks good. Yes. Okay. Same thing for this one. Oh, maybe I should have cut out my felt circles first. But let's see. I know the wood is 1 1/4 inches, so maybe if I just cut 1-inch circles. Just using my mat to, or my glass mat here to measure. So now let's see how good I can do this. Just kind of round the corners. That is good enough for me. Let's see. Maybe I'll just trace it to cut out the second one. Alright, now these have a sticky back, but I don't think, I'm not sure how sticky it will be. So, it's pretty darn sticky. Now, don't know how to get it unstuck. There we go. Now, I guess I'll just leave it stuck to my finger. Put some glue on there. Put some more glue on top of the paper clip. And stick that down. Oops, I think I got a bit too much glue here. Okay. Some more on the paper clip. Oh dear, here's the kitty. Sorry if the camera was shaking. He's come up to see what I'm doing here. There. I used a better amount of glue this time. All right, now those will just need to dry. And I think I'm going to Mod Podge these because I'm worried about this hanging off the edge. Might get bent. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so I am using which kind? Gloss. Gloss Mod Podge. Okay, we'll let those dry, but I am done. So those were pretty quick. So that one's already looking clear. So here's what it looks like all done. I think it turned out pretty cute. I think those would be cute in your planner to help you remember to be unstoppable. So that does it. Thanks for watching.